Hello guys, thanks for watching the video. Pretty much was just showcasing trains and their comeback potential and OTK potential as well. This was pretty much the deck I used. One Express Knight, just so I can search it with Ruffian. He's not that great of a starter, but he's good for proccing Switchyard, which you can use Urgent for. Anyways, I have Express Knight, 2 bullets. I didn't do 3 because 3 is a bit of a brick. 2 was good enough. 2 Dairy Cranes, same idea, 2 is good enough. He's a pop, so that's pretty good. 2 Thunderlers, basically a pot of avarice. You don't need 3, 3 is a brick. 2 is okay. 1 Crab Crane for 1 Outrigger, helps not target stuff. 2 Bulldozer, 3 is a brick, 2 is okay. 3 Trencher, Trencher's never a brick. You can machine dupe him, go into rank 5. 2 rail cars, 3 is a brick, 2 is okay. You kind of want to have the same number as this, because this guy searches out your level 10s. He just recurs from grave. 2 Pegasus, okay starter. He's actually a pretty bad starter if you don't draw into any other level 5s or one of these guys. Because if you draw him and one of the level 10s, then you can go into rank 10 play. If you draw him and Dozer, you go into rank 5 play. Anchor fantastic starter. And 3 Harvesters, also fantastic starter. Searches out any of the Infinitracks. I got 3 Ash because interruption. This deck doesn't have much interruption. Only thing really is Dora. And maybe Nova and Baguska. So then 3 machine dupes for Harvester and Trencher. Pot of Avarice. I'm running 2 of these guys at 1 just in case. Terraforming. Monster Reborn. 3 card. I was thinking of running Iron Reborn or something like that. Machine Reborn or something that you can special summon at level 4 from grave. Works too. But Monster Reborn is more generic. 3 called. Interruption. 3 urgents. It's a must. 3 heavy forwards, a fantastic starter. It's the Spoa variant of Harvester. Good for negating Ash and stuff. Just normal summon effect and pass. This helps bait out anything. Outrigger extension. Protects my XYZs. Machine ones mainly. And 3 revolving for train plays. On extra, 7 cents, get out anything that can't be destroyed. Just banish board wipe. Libe, swing big. Dora, turn 1 pass. Gustav, 2k, Libe. Earth Slicer, pop 2 cards. Swing into something, steal it. True King, rank 9, helps. Mountain Smasher, because I have to. Infinity and Nova, good rank 5s. River Stormer, best Infinitrack ever. Baguska, it's a meme. Then Mega Clops, because I can actually get him out fairly pretty good with if I draw I think Harvester and Machine Dupe, just those 2 I can get out. And I'm uninterrupted. I can usually get all that stuff out pretty well. Harvester, Search Bulldozer, Special Trencher, Machine Dupe Trencher. Got a lot of stuff you can go there. Go to River Stormer, get rank 10. If you have Terraforming with you and go to Revolving, you got like 5 cards from 2, so you're pretty good. Anger Knuckle, synergy with this guy. And 2 Goliath. On the side, I'm just figuring out what to side, but I'm just putting 3 Mystical Space Typhoons. Can take those out. But yeah, that's it. That's for the deck list.